If your Instagram story has no sound or Instagram story music isn't working on Android, here's how to fix it. First, check if your phone's volume is up. Make sure your device isn't on silent mode and increase the media volume. Also, try playing a video from another app like YouTube to see if the issue is Instagram specific. If the sound issue happens only on Instagram, restart the app. Close Instagram completely and reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches. Next, clear Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app in the list and tap on it. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your account but will refresh the app's performance. If Instagram music isn't working, make sure your app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Older version may have bugs that prevent sound from playing. Check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow or unstable, Instagram might not load music or audio properly. Switch networks or try using a different Wi-Fi connection. If the issue persists, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app from your phone, then go to Google Play Store and reinstall it. Log back in and check if the sound works. Still not working? Report the problem to Instagram. Go to your profile, settings, scroll down and tap on help. Report a problem, and so on. Then describe the issue and submit it. That's it. Hopefully this fixes your Instagram story sound issue. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.